Hi, my name is Hannah Blake, and today I'll be showing you the inverted knife hand strike from a square block. First, you're chambering your hands behind your back hip. You're coming up and splitting and blocking across your face, with your front hand and your back hand is doing a high block. And then, since this is against a punch, you're going to reach out, grab their arm, pull it in, and do an inverted knife hand strike, making sure you're not striking with your fingers, but with this part of your hand. So I'll do that once more. Now I'll demonstrate with a partner. So first, your partner will just hold a padded sword towards your face, just blocking it away, grabbing, pulling in, and striking. Once more. Next, I'll have Miss Bible do a haymaker attack towards the side of my head. Again. You have to make sure you're blocking before you actually grab so that you're able to deflect the attack properly. Now, can you set the sword aside and throw a slow punch with your left arm. So our targets for this are their elbow, their shoulder, or their neck, depending on your distancing. Okay, can you do it with the other side now, please? Right here. Thank you, Ms. Bible. That was the inverted knife hand strike from a square block. Thank you.